Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another weekly dose of aviation. The 747 struck its engine into the ground while trying to land at Los Angeles.
Mira, ay güey. Hijo de... Se iba a bajar. Ay, chingó el motor. Sí, chingó el motor.
This aerial refueling went wrong after turbulence tore off the end of the refueling boom, causing fuel to spray out. This is how an airdrop from a C-130 looks from the inside. This landing went wrong due to strong winds causing the plane to flip over and striking its propeller into the ground. This plane flew really low right next to a highway. This is what a firefighting plane looks like in action. Okay, next clip. This is what planes flying through a thick fog looks like. These South African Air Force helicopters flying in a huge formation. This A380 taking off with snow spraying behind it. This ground crew worker was just vibing with his guide sticks. And that's it for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed. Other sources will be linked in the description as usual. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video.